Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so uh, the direction we're taking to be positive is right, is positive, and it starts off, the block starts off with a displacement, and it is displaced to the left. So x1 initial displacement is negative 18 centimeters, or negative 0.18 meters. Next thing to do would be to find spring constant, k, which is equal to F over x by Hooke's law. And so F has given us 25 newtons, x is 0.18. Well, I guess this would be a absolute value of x, so 0.18 meters, giving us a spring constant of 138.9 Newton per meter. Therefore, we use energy conservation. So U1, initial U, is initial spring energy is equal to final spring potential energy plus work done by friction, right? So you have 1/2 kx1 squared is equal to 1/2 kx2 squared, x2 being the final displacement, and the value we want to find, plus the work done due to friction, which, if you remember, is force of friction times the distance, the displacement. So this would be x2 minus x1. Force of friction is mu times normal force. Okay, so this is the work done due to friction, therefore, is mu sub k, coefficient of kinetic friction, times gravity, and force of gravity, mg, and there's a times x2 minus x1 over here. So what we have is 1/2 kx1 squared minus x2 squared is equal to mu sub k mg times x1. Okay, and so 1/2 k is about 69.0 Newton per meter, times x1 squared, which is negative 0.18 squared, minus x2 squared, is equal to mu sub k, which is 0.3. Mg is 0.18 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared, times, of course, x2 plus 0.18 meters. All right, so let's write out those terms. We have 69 times negative 0.18 squared minus 69 x2 squared time equals 0.13 times 0.18 times 9.8 times x2 minus 0.18, right? Therefore, we're left with this expression, 69x2 squared plus 0.529x2 minus 2.14 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and can be solved by your calculator, or by x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And so that will give us two values of x2, plus 0.172 meters and plus minus 0.18 meters. Minus 0.18 meters is actually well, so x2 has to be positive, so we know this is the answer. Also, minus 0.18 meters would mean the initial position, which means zero displacement, so we don't want that. Therefore, answer is x2 equals plus 0.172 meters, or 17.2 centimeters, and that's it.